Batteries for solar power system, lithium batteries for solar. Here we go again today with another video with lithium batteries for your off-grid solar power system. In today's video, I just want to do a quick tutorial or maybe a quick tour for you on my battery systems I have here. So this is what I have, guys. I have three types of batteries that I'm running on my system. Here is a Ford Focus lithium batteries, Nissan Leaf lithium batteries, and VW Volkswagen e-Golf lithium batteries. So these are the batteries, the battery box, and outside of the battery box. Please subscribe and share to the video if you like. Guys, I'm gonna start with the Ford Focus. Here is a Ford Focus battery from a Ford Focus vehicle, electric vehicle, and these batteries, and I arranged these batteries in 6P16S. That means 16 cells in series and 6 in parallel. This is what happened here. Each module is 16 volt. So these are 8 volt. 2 of them gives you to 16 volt. So I have 2 modules here. Each string, this is a string right here, is a 4 kilowatt. It's a 4 kilowatt hour, and the same thing, 4 kilowatt hour. And you can able to incorporate a BMS, which I have a BMS board inside, which I'm not utilizing on my system. You can see all the points for that. So this gives me a 8 kilowatt hours of storage. Okay, which means each cell is a 68 amp hour 16 volt battery. So the total is 8 kilowatt hours of battery storage, live here at the JW Solar USA. Second is the Nissan Leaf. Came from an electric vehicle, Nissan Leaf lithium battery. Each cell is 500 watt, and I have 8 cells. 8 cells in series. 8 cells in series parallel. So 8 cells. Each cell is 8.2 volt, 500 watt. 2 batteries in series. There are 4 batteries in here. 2 in series, like 2 in parallel. Okay? 2 series, 2 parallel. So that gives me a 8 kilowatt of lithium power storage. Okay? Alright, now we're gonna move to the e-Golf. And the amp hour for each 500 watt cell is a 66 amp hours. 66 amp hours on each cell. 500 watts each, 8.2 volt, 66 amp hours. So 66 here, 66 here, multiply that, gives you a good amount of lithium battery, lithium current on that thing. Okay, you do the math. There they are. Okay. Now I come to one of the most rare batteries and good batteries. These are e-Golf. This is one cell. They have a lot of cells in this one. The voltage on each battery on this one is a 14.4 nominal voltage. All those voltage I was telling is a nominal voltage. Okay, And this is each battery is 1068 watt hours, 1.068 watt hours. So 1068 watt hours at 14.4 volts and 75 amp hours storage on each battery. So I have 8 of them all the way down here. So I got them stacked all the way, stands up vertical, rated, connected in series, parallel series. This one is for 24 volts configuration. I set up here, and this one's here 48 volt configuration. So guys, these batteries are all good for solar system. I'll recommend them. If you have the opportunity to get your hands on, get them. I'll recommend these are one of the best batteries, my opinion, because I've tested them and you guys have seen a lot of videos. If you haven't seen the videos, check on my playlist and look up on any of these batteries and see all already done a test run on this. I don't have to explain too much again. You watch the video and make sure you subscribe and share to the channel. So all in all, I'll conclude my battery bank total is 24.544 kilowatt hours of storage live here at the JW Solar USA. Please subscribe and like.